There's a demonstration of the fault with the VC99 meter that I bought from eBay. There's batteries in the unit at the moment, but when you turn the unit to the on position, as you can see, nothing happens on the display. Now, apart from the irregularity you can see there, it just sort of goes on quite faded. But if I press my finger lightly on the top of the monitor like that, the unit, as you can see, the unit is displaying something now. If I press slightly harder, it seems to function correctly. But that doesn't last for a sustained period. If you leave it on, eventually it will go off. I can do the same if I switch the unit off after I've pushed the LCD screen on the upper left and switch it back on again. All appears to be normal. However, if I switch it off by pressing on the corner of the display lightly and then switch the unit off, switch it back on, I get nothing on the display. But again, just intermittent, sort of faded, partial display. And again, if I push on the left hand side, you'll see it's got to be quite hard, push it, and all appears to be working normal again. And you can begin to use the functions. So therefore, there is a problem with the unit. Thank you.